Hi there! Discover the ultimate solution with these reusable silicone airtight food storage bags that come in a handy 4-pack, each holding 33 ounces or 4 cups. These versatile bags feature a unique stand-up design making food storage, drying, and cleaning effortless. Plus they are microwave, freezer, sous vide, and dishwasher safe within temperature limits. The snap close feature ensures no leaks or spills, making them perfect for marinating, bulk storage, and daily meal prep without the mess. Made from premium food-grade silicone, these bags are odorless, eco-friendly, and a healthier alternative to single-use plastic bags. Their wide opening and flexible design prevent frustrating pops and spills, while the roll-up feature saves significant storage space. Trust in a durable, easy-to-use kitchen essential that helps you reduce waste and keep your food fresh longer. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.